Come on April Fool's Day. Oh, and I did forget to say this is a photo-friendly zone again, so feel free to take as many pictures as you would like.
Don't come on April 1st ever.
Yeah.
Yep.
This might be enough ice cream.
All right. And while you guys are eating your ice cream, if you do have any questions, raise your hand and I'll come on over, or you can blurt them out and I'll answer them.
Good afternoon, or almost afternoon. We're here in Waterbury, Vermont, to do what you do here in Waterbury, Vermont. You go to Ben & Jerry's. So we're gonna head in. I think first actually we'll go look at the flavor graveyard. It is pretty packed, at least as far as what we were expecting. You know, it's only been, it opens at 11. It's 11:45 right now, and there's not a lot of parking. It is a Saturday morning, so we did expect people to be here, but I don't know. I guess there's more parking over there and stuff like that, but...
Oh, Jesus.
Oh,
That's a rock.
You gonna hit a rock?
Yeah. That SUV right there.
Oh, yeah.
Crunch. That sucks. Ooh, they broke that.
I'm gonna go through the front. Okay. Flavor graveyard. Ooh, Devil's Food chocolate. Purple passion fruit, sugar plum. Chocolate chip cookie dough, frozen yogurt. Economic crunch. Aloha. What is economic crunch? Economic crunch. Delightful mash. This flavor we remember for the stock market crash on the 6th of November. It was vanilla with chocolate, covered almond, pecans, and walnut. Fresh Georgia peach, au pear. This is nuts. A nutty mix of chocolate pistachio ice creams with fudge covered almonds, lightly roasted pistachios. Rainforest crunch. Creme brulee. Ooh.
Yeah, I can see how that one didn't survive.
Which one? This one?
This one.
Ms. Jelina's sweet potato pie.
Mm-hmm.
Swirls of sweet potato pie, filling cinnamon swirl. Oh, that's weird. Divinity. Peanut butter me up. Holy cannoli. Chocolate peppermint crunch. What do we got here?
Oh, that sounds good.
Boston cream pie. Oh man, that's a good one. It went for 6 years.
Please.
Napoleon. Whoopie pie. Yeah. Cake batter. 8 years and they stopped making it.
Crazy.
Caramel chocolate chunk. The Witch. Fossil fuel. Yeah. Wavy gravy, turtle soup. Vermonty python. Okay. Cool. Well, it's really starting to get packed here.
Yeah.
Thank you for visiting our dearly depinted. So, this is one of the more touristy things that we'll ever do, but it's like the #1 thing you do in Vermont, and who doesn't like ice cream? So we're gonna go see it and tell you if you think it's worth it or if it's just a stop to get ice cream.
Either way, we're getting ice cream.
Either way, we're getting ice cream, so it can't really be that bad, can it? Ooh, they even got a playground. Look at this.
After experience this way.
Okay. Euphoria ahead of ya. Kind of interesting. They're trying to kind of make this a whole family thing.
I mean, I feel like it's a family thing anyway. It's ice cream.
Well, they're trying to add more to it, more than just a tour.
Wasn't sure if that car was gonna turn or not.
You go through here or just go up there? This looks like there's stuff here.
Oh, restrooms.
You wanna go to use the restroom? So, see if we got the flavors listed here. So there's a non-dairy. There's the ice cream. So here's the ice cream lineup here. So all of the normal ice cream flavors are right here. So you get your Americone Dream and the Tonight Dough. All sorts of stuff, and then they have these separated by these are the ones with the cores, and these are the ones that are topped with something. And then they have the gluten-free ones over there, or the sugar-free. Yeah, non-dairy. So non-dairy, you got almond milk, sunflower butter. And looks like they're selling cookie dough chunks, frozen yogurt. They got doggy stuff, and then mini cups now. Cool. Yeah, you ready? Let's go.
The tickets are right up there.
Okay. So, yeah, oh yeah, ticket sales. Gift kiosk. And that's supposed to be where you enter then?
I think that's the line. Shop, scoop, and...
Oh, it's ice cream.
I don't know.
Yeah, this is ice cream and that's the entrance. RV here.
This is just
Well, yeah, to go into the factory.
yeah. Okay. We're going to the factory, right?
Okay, so we went and we got our tickets. They were what, 13 bucks for the two of us?
Yeah.
So it's like what, 6 a piece and
6 a piece,
some
and
tax
then
and
tax,
service charge, whatever. So it's only like 13 and change for the two of us, which is like super cheap. Really, it's a great deal depending on what the actual tour is like. Unfortunately, they only let a certain number of people in at a time. So it is about noon right now, and we can't get in until 1:30. So we have to wait an hour and a half to get into the
We could get our ice cream now.
factory. I mean, we could get our ice cream now if we wanted, but since we don't really have any plans past this here in Vermont for the rest of our trip, we're gonna take that hour and kind of research some stuff to do. Maybe come up with a plan of what we're gonna do. We have no place to stay tonight, nowhere to be. We have all day this afternoon, all day tomorrow, and Monday to find something to do.
Where are we going?
To the car,
Why?
because we have a hot spot there.
No, we have a hot spot in my purse.
Okay, why are we going to the car? So we're here for our tour. Starts in about 15 minutes. I don't know if we're allowed to do video or pictures, so we'll find out. If this is followed by a bunch of video, then we're allowed to film. If not,
Sorry.
sorry. We'll talk about our experience when we get back, and we'll get some ice cream, of course, afterward.
That line's really long.
Today I'll be taking you on a 3-part tour. First, you guys will be heading up these stairs to watch a quick movie about the history of Ben and Jerry's. Then you guys will head to our mezzanine to get a bird's eye view of our production floor. And last, you'll finish in our flavor room. You guys will get a sample of our mystery flavor of the day. How's that sound? Good? All right. Before we...
We gotta earn this ice cream.
Yeah.
Movie theater.
So they split a $5 ice cream course from Penn State instead and got an A- on the open book exam. Not bad. They bought this old gas station and began creating their own flavors. But since poor Ben had no taste, we don't mean a sense of style, he really could.
Ben and Jerry's today. How far? New Jersey? Anyone further than New Jersey? How far?
North Carolina.
North Carolina? Anyone further than North Carolina?
There you go.
Texas.
I was gonna say, it could be
Anyone
us.
further than Texas? Alright. Well, you guys actually want everyone free samples today, so you can give them a round of applause. Alright, but before I introduce today's mystery flavor, if you look to my right, this is our new stuff freezer. This is everything that's come out in the past 8 months. The ones with the green lid are almond milk based. Ones with the yellow lid are sunflower butter based. And the ones with the black lid are normal dairy based ice cream. If you notice, there's are 2 with brown lids. Those actually have a topping of chocolate ganache. And
On April Fool's Day.
Come on April Fool's Day. Oh, and I did forget to say, this is a photo-friendly zone again, so feel free to take as many pictures as you would like.
Don't come on April 1st ever.
Yeah.
Yep.
This might be enough ice cream.
Alright, and while you guys are eating your ice cream, if you do have any questions, raise your hand and I'll come on over, or you can blurt them out and I'll answer them. Who invents the flavors? Well, actually, we have a whole corporate team in Burlington, Vermont, which is about 30 minutes from here if you take the highway. That's their whole job, to come up with new flavors, see what's...
Do you want to skip the ice cream?
We can.
What do you want to do?
Huh?
We got nothing better to do today, but
Sure. You want to
let me look at the flavors. So we just got out of the tour. We got a line out to the road here. So
We already got ice cream.
since we got ice cream inside and we got the cookie dough bites inside, we're just gonna go ahead and skip the ice cream. We can buy it anywhere we want. It's not
gonna be any discounted price.
No, it's not any cheaper here or any tastier or anything. But we did the tour. Isn't that, how much was the tour?
It was $13 total for the two of us.
So it's, yeah, that's right.
$6 a piece.
$6 a piece, and you got a little bit of ice cream. So I think that was worth it. If you're gonna come here and do that, I would make sure you book in advance, because
I don't know, can you?
I would hope you could. We'll look into it. Oh, Future Kyle would look and put it right here. Can you book in advance, Future Kyle? There's your answer. So Future Kyle just told you the answer, whether you can book in advance. If you can, you should, because it sells out, obviously, especially on weekends. I guess on weekdays.
The sign's right there. Factory experience sold out for today.
Yeah. So, so I would book in advance if possible. Otherwise, you're just gonna come here and get ice cream.
Wait in a really long line.
Yeah. So I wouldn't go out of my way to come here, to be honest.
It was interesting.
It's interesting. It's fun.
You know, we did it because we were here. It was interesting. We were here already. We were in the area, and we didn't really have any other plans for today. But had I been in New York or Pennsylvania, would I come up here to do it? Probably not.
No, I wouldn't be driving an hour out of my way or anything to come through here to do this.
But it was a good experience.
Unless
Our
you're
tour
some
guide
type of...
was really, really good.
Yeah, if you're a big super fan of Ben & Jerry's, I guess maybe it's different, but no, it's just interesting little thing. I know there's not a lot to do in Vermont, and this is one of the things to do. So
A lot of hiking and skiing.
yes. So it's fun. Probably fun for families and small kids and stuff like that. Get some ice cream and go on a quick tour, enough to keep their attention, but not too long. So that was fun. So now we're gonna head on our adventure. Where are we going? Nobody knows, because neither do we. We're just gonna start Googling stuff and go on some mystery adventures from here on out.
You'll find out about 30 seconds after we do.
So if you liked that video, and I hope you did, make sure you hit the like button. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and comment on the video. Let us know what you thought. What's your favorite flavor?
Favorite flavor?
Favorite flavor. Let us know what your favorite flavor is, or your favorite deceased flavor. It'd be interesting. So let us know. And that's it for our video. So do those 3 things: like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see you in the next one.